Hi everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go through this Hercules angle drill. I bought this yesterday on a 20% off coupon. It was the last one in the store. We're going to box it, go over to Harbor Freight website, and then we're going to test it. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright, here it is here. It said you can use a 5 amp hour battery with it, but we're going to be using 12. I only got one 12. And it seems like the 12 for these big tools like the Sawzall and stuff is what I use for. 20 volt, heavy duty variable speed, right angle, of course, tool only. 5-year warranty. You know, the Hercules tools all have 5-year warranties on them. High performance brushless motor, compact design, lightweight, powerful, half-inch keyed chuck, which is important. Variable speed, which is pretty good too. I know my Bauer like that. It's switchable. It's not variable speed. It switches between high and low gear. Rubberized gripped LED light, onboard chuck. All right, let's get her open. Now, the thing about these drills, they're not a really popular drill for your DIY homeowner. You know, angles. It's be a more popular tool for a plumber or electrician that's going to be drilling a lot of holes and studs. And that's the main thing these are used for. Did I need this tool? Probably not, but I have addiction to buying tools. I got more tools than I know what to do with right now. Right, the drill itself. Right, the handle. Now, one thing that I was curious about this too is that, you know, a lot of times you're getting the really tight areas, and I would think maybe if you have a long bit on this and you're trying to get between the stud, I think this would get in the way, but it looks like you can easily take that off. You got a really tight area to go in. Of course, the handle can go on both sides. Get this out of here. Instructions. The battery I got here we're going to use this 12 amp hour. And these have been sitting out in the cold. It's probably like about 28 degrees in my shop right now. Of course, I lost the bar. I just want to show you the difference between the size. This is a 1/2 inch Hercules cordless. And if you look at the difference, how much bigger that tool actually is. All right, let's jump over to Harbor Freight website and I'll show you this more.
Here we are here on the Harbor Freight website. First, I'm going to show you the different type of angle drills that they carry. And they got 4. This one here is a Beast corded Bauer. I actually got this for $60 on the as is table with the case. And how I got it is they had that 40% off. They run like twice a year on the 40% off clearance and as is items. And that's how I picked this up last year. I have yet to use it. I got a review on that as well. I have this one too. There's a review on this one too. This works really well. It has a lot of power, but doesn't have the handle on it like the Hercules does. This would be good for like doing drawers, in tight places. And, you know, of course, the Hercules one's more of a really powerful drill for, you know, getting between studs, drilling big giant holes. So let's go over to the drill. And here it is here. 1/2 inch variable speed. Of course, you got the handle on it. It can go on both sides. Now it's comparing it to, now one thing about this tool, it's really, like it's pretty heavy. It just dry, you know, a 7.82 pounds. And then of course with this, you're probably going to have to use the 8-hour amp or a 12-hour amp battery on this, which is really going to make this tool heavy. And what I bought this for is I'm going to be drilling, I got drop-in 4x2 panels, suspended ceiling in my basement, fluorescent, that I'm going to rip all out. They're buzzing, they're old, and I'm going to be drilling for electrical and putting new lighting, LED lighting. Now, the thing about Hercules, they always compare to Milwaukee, and we're going to go over that since comparing to this one. So I got $84.99. I'm going to show you how this price really dropped here after we go over here. So I'm going over to Milwaukee here. Here's that Milwaukee whole hog. The Milwaukee also carries a super whole hog, which is longer. So $2.99 on this one. I have nothing against Milwaukee at all. I have some cord Milwaukee tools, but ever since I discovered Harbor Freight 4 years ago, that's all I've been buying now. Now I'm going to jump over to the price tracking website. So when this first came out, it's been on my list since this came out. So 2023 came out $160, and this has steadily dropped in price over the years. Now when it came down recently to $84.99 and that coupon came out, I just went out and bought it. It's a pretty good deal. There's never been a coupon on it, and I've never seen this in the Hercules cordless tool promotion, or you see buy the battery and charger, get a free tool, or buy one tool get one free. This has never been in that. Now when I went back, let's go back to the website here. Now for weeks it sat like this, back in some Wilmer's, my closest store. There's not another store around for 100 miles, so yeah, just wait till it comes in stock. So then when it said in stock, I went there, they had the last one, bought it, so of course back in stock soon again. All right, so it has a 5-year warranty on it, of course brushless. All right, let's go jump back over to the drill.
Okay, let's get a battery in here. Now this is already heavy. Now we're adding this big battery to it. Now the thing about these type of drills is that this got some really heavy duty gears in here. Forward and reverse, really nothing to it. We got the light there. Now I've got 2 bits that we're going to be showing. These are Hercules spade bits. These are fairly new. And then we're going to use these are fairly new too. We're going to take the biggest one. We're going to test on there. So let me grab a piece of wood. I use a scrap piece of wood I've been using. Looks like that. I think I did that with that test with the big giant Bauer one. Got some quick clamps from Pittsburgh. And make sure it's tight, because that drill is going to really grab that. All right, so I think we will use the biggest one we got here. I do like keyed chucks. It seems like no matter what keyless chuck I use on the air drills, it seems like once in a while they kind of spin off, loosen up. All right. And it does have a spot in the bottom for the chuck as well that goes in here. All right, let's try it. Make sure that is solid. Oh, go away. All right, that's no problem with that. All right, I'm going to move the camera closer and we'll do another cut like that. Another one, close up. Yeah, no problem. We're going to take this off. We're going to put in that hole saw. Biggest one I got. Which is this set up here. Let me get this together real quick. These are really good hole saws. They lock in. All right, let's put this on the drill. Be nice to test it with like a 4-inch or a 6-inch hole saw, which I don't have any that big. I'm trying to think what I even drill something that big for. Probably a plumbing pipe, which I don't have much plumbing to do here at all. That's some copper lines are on, but nothing big. No drain waste vent to do. All right, let's reposition this camera a little bit. Go here. Now it is stopping on me, which is weird. There we go. So it stopped on me twice on that. I don't know if my battery matters. I got down to 2 bars and it's cold. I'm going to actually put on a 5 amp hour. Since I know those have full charge, I'm going to try it again. All right, so this time I have a 5 amp hour battery full charge. So hopefully it shouldn't stop this time. And I haven't used that 12-hour amp battery in probably a long time. Well, let's try this again. All right, that time it did not stop on me at all. I was pressing on this pretty hard. So I'm going to blame it on the 2 bars of that other battery. I'm going to put a smaller one in. We're going to do another test here. I'll bring the camera down. All right, so I have a smaller bit in here this time. There we go. Now it's pressing down pretty hard. That bit is really warm. All in all, it seemed to work pretty well. My corded Bauer is definitely more powerful than this, but you really can't compare a corded to a cordless. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. If you're looking at one of these, what be using it for?